Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a twin vein knit. First of all, we're going to start with making a clip. So we need auto stop. This costs, by the way, so just get in your position like this one there. Yeah. Then you go on this button here. That's what I just did, so record new clip. Go on the other side, act like you're talking to the person that's doing it to you. Then it'll come up with what you've already made. Then go on mix clips. These cost, and as you can see, I've bought every one of these because this is quite a good deal, like £1 or something. Then when it's finished, you'll see the whole thing. So yeah, if you keep the camera in the same place, it'll look like it's real. If you keep it moving around, it'll look like it's fake. So yeah, that's it. If you want any more tutorials, then ask, comment what tutorial you want, and I'll just do them. Bye. Come on. Stupid camera.